$69,814 in total passive income from one print-on-demand mug. Guys, I've not seen an opportunity like this for a while. This is a gold mine, and if you take action today, you could make a lot of money. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can make thousands of dollars by selling print-on-demand items like mugs and t-shirts on TikTok by tapping into their new feature, TikTok Shop. This is a beginner strategy that anyone can do. You don't need any followers or any design experience or anything like that. You don't even need to create videos. This is one of the easiest ways that I've seen to make money online, and this stuff works. I've been testing it out myself and getting some epic results, and I'm going to show you those results in this video. But if you don't know, TikTok Shop is a feature on TikTok which is similar to Amazon or Etsy, but it's built directly into the TikTok platform. So you can buy and sell almost anything on there, but one of the best ways to make money is with print on demand. And because it's brand new, TikTok is pushing it hard, which means you can get a lot of free traffic to your products and you can make a lot of money fast. And if you follow this video, I'm going to show you how you can automate the whole process. I'm literally selling mugs like this as we speak, and I'm making passive income. But there's one underused feature that allows you to make money without even creating videos. It's epic, and I'm going to reveal it a little bit later in this video. But before we dive in, I want to show you some of my results. So I've only been testing this for about 7 days with a brand new account and very, very little effort, and I've been making money. And to be honest, I was just going to keep it to myself and wait while I upscaled it. But I want to share methods on this channel that are fresh and unsaturated, so I've decided to pull the camera out and share some value while this is hot. So if you like valuable videos like this, make sure you hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notifications. So let me show you these results. So this is my TikTok seller dashboard. I'll just refresh this page so you can see it's not a screenshot. And then you'll see that in the last 7 days, I've had a total of over 1,000 visitors to my store. I've sold a total of 18 items and generated income of £268, which is around about $336 US. And the total profit for this so far is around about $45. But I'm super happy with these results because when you see how little effort I've put into this, you'll understand why. I only uploaded around about 3 designs, and most of these sales are from one item, which I'm going to show you a little bit later on in this video. But my results are super early, so I just want to quickly show you the potential from someone who's been doing this for a few months. So this simple baldy mug, which would have taken seconds to create, has generated over 5,000 sales on TikTok, which means it's generated over $69,000 in sales and probably around $15,000 to $20,000 in profit in total passive income from one simple design. And you've even got people copying it with zero creativity, and they're making hundreds of sales too. It's never been this easy to make money online, so let's dive in so I can show you how to do it step by step. So first of all, you need a print-on-demand supplier that will print and ship all of your products on demand. So when a customer buys a product, this company will print it and then they'll ship it to your customer. But if you want to automate the whole process, it's important to choose a print-on-demand company that connects directly to TikTok Shop. And the one that I personally use and recommend is Printful. And Printful's got a very simple integration that will automate the whole process with the click of a button. So step one is you want to sign up for a free Printful account. You can use my referral link in the description down below, and I just want to thank Printful for sponsoring this video. Once you've created your account, you can choose any of Printful's blank products and you can upload your designs and sell them on TikTok. But before we get to that, we need to create a TikTok Shop account. So in order to do this, you're going to need 2 accounts. You need a TikTok Shop account, which I'm going to show you how to create now, and you're also going to need a normal TikTok account as well. Now you can use an existing TikTok account if you like, but I think it's much better to create one dedicated to your store. So you just head to the TikTok app and create an account. I've just created this one for this example called Liam's Loaded Products. That's on my phone and ready to go. And then you want to head to seller.tiktok.com on a computer and then choose your location and click on enter. And then here you want to click on sign up, and you can click on sign up with TikTok account, and then click on use QR code, and then you can scan the QR code with your phone, and then it should connect directly to the TikTok account that you've just created. Click on confirm and then click on authorize. Then you just need to add your email address and verify. Then you just need to go through the step and create your account and give them some information and upload your ID. Okay, so once you've created your TikTok Shop account, there's a really important step. So before you try and connect Printful to TikTok, you need to make sure that you fill out the warehouse settings and the shipping template. So in order to do that, you want to head over to My Account on the left-hand side and click on Account Settings. And then you can click on Warehouse Settings, and then you just click on Add Warehouse, And then here you will add in the address of the Printful warehouse in your area. So I've just got this UK Printful warehouse. The address will be added here, but I will add my own name and my own contact details and then click save. And then you repeat the process for the return warehouse as well. So next you need to create your shipping template. So just come to shipping on the left hand side and then click on shipping template. I think it's different between America and the UK. I think in America you can set a flat fee. In the UK we have to do this based on weight, but I've got a little hack which basically means we can set a flat fee as well. So you would just come to create a shipping template, and then down here you can choose your weight range for your products. So I just put 0 to 0.3. I've put a cost of £4.99. So that basically covers all of my products, whether I'm shipping out t-shirts, mugs, or hoodies. They're all going to be charged the same amount of £4.99. And I'm actually making a bit of profit on my shipping as well, which is kind of one of my strategies. Because if someone orders a mug, it costs me £3.99 to ship it using Printful, but I'm actually charging them £4.99, so I'm making an extra £1 on every mug that someone orders. And I've also added this option down here for anything heavier as well. So if someone orders 2 mugs, it will charge them more shipping as well, and then just click submit. And then when you're actually adding your products to TikTok, you can choose how much they weigh. So I just say all of my products weigh 0.2 kilograms, so they're all going to get charged £4.99. And then just click on submit. Now there's one final shipping setting that you need to change before we can move on to the fun stuff with creating designs and all that kind of stuff. But this is really important as well. You come over to shipping options on the left hand side, and you want to make sure you click shipped from seller, because Printful have actually got a whole shipping platform where they'll give you labels to print out and you can add them onto your packages, but we don't need to deal with any of that because Printful takes care of the entire shipping process. So we click on shipped from seller, we click on that, click on use package ID, and then when we actually start getting orders, it will just be sent directly over to Printful. Printful will deal with the entire shipping side of everything. They'll send the tracking ID and all the information back over to TikTok, and we don't need to worry about anything. It's entirely automated, but you need to make sure you click shipped from seller. So now it's time to connect our Printful account to our TikTok shop. So you want to come back over to your Printful account that you've created, head over to the stores tab on the left hand side, click on choose platform, click on TikTok shop, and then click connect. Then we can scroll down to the bottom and click on authorize wherever you're based. So I'll click on authorize UK, click on next, click on authorize. And it should take you to Printful, and then it should give you the option to click confirm to install, fill in your details, confirm to install, and authorize. And then it will send you back over to Printful to make sure you're logged in with your Printful account. Click on connect store, and boom, your TikTok account is now connected to your Printful account. So when we add products on here and someone orders them from our TikTok shop, it's all going to be automated and it's going to be printed and shipped out to our customers. And I just want to add that TikTok is changing all the time. TikTok shop is brand new, so things might look a bit different. If you get stuck, you need a bit more support and questions, don't forget you can sign up to my community, which will be linked down below. We've got a section dedicated to print on demand. Plus, I've got a course in there all about print on demand, and I'm in the process of adding a course about TikTok shop and print on demand as well. So that's all linked down below. So now it's time for the fun part where we can actually create some designs and add some products to our TikTok shop. So first of all, you can come over to Printful and click on add product. And then here you will see a catalog of all the different types of products that you can sell using Printful. They've got so many different blank products, from phone cases to hats, t-shirts, hoodies, and mugs. The one that I've been focusing on at the moment is mugs, because I think that's a really good product to sell on TikTok. It's low priced, it's got fast shipping, and you can be creative with it. You can jump on trends, and people like to buy them for gifts. So I think it's a really good product for TikTok. But whichever product you decide to sell, just click on the product inside Printful, and it will open up this product designer where you can add text and clip arts and whatever you want onto your mug designs. Or you can use a program like Canva, create the design on there, and then bring it back over to Printful, which is what I do. But this is your opportunity to be creative and experiment and try different things out. There's no right or wrong answer. And the great thing about print on demand is you've not got to buy any stock up front. So you can try out 100 different designs if you like and see what works well. So be creative, and just have fun with it, and you never know what's going to take off. But if you want a bit of inspiration and you're wondering what kind of products can I sell, what will work well, a great little strategy which I've been using is to come over to Etsy.com, and you can see what's selling well on Etsy. So Etsy is a massive marketplace where people buy and sell lots of products, but a lot of handmade print on demand products sell on Etsy. And this is a great opportunity because Etsy's getting so much traffic. People have been selling on Etsy for years, and we can kind of see what's working well on Etsy, and we can bring it over to this new platform, TikTok Shop, and we can make sales from what's already working well. So you can just look here and see what's selling well. So it actually tells you on Etsy, this is popular now, this is a bestseller, this is a bestseller. So you might want to take one of these designs, don't copy it exactly, but you might want to get a bit of inspiration from it and try and apply it to your TikTok store. So just scroll down here and see what's working. Like this one here is popular now. 91 people bought this in the last 24 hours on Etsy. So if we was to take a similar design like this and apply it to our TikTok store, we might be able to make a lot of sales from this. And it's very, very simple to do. So what you can do is come over to Canva, look for a similar kind of design like this little meter thing, and maybe you want to add in a bit of text that says something similar. So that was, do I give a shit meter? Maybe it's like, let me check my do I care meter or something along those lines. And you can obviously be creative. I'm really rushing this at the moment, but if you look at that mug, that's a very simple mug that someone's created and it's selling crazy amounts in the last 24 hours. And have a bit of fun with it. And then what you do is download this. I'll show you this with a different design because this is one that I didn't rush. And then you click on download here, and then you want to make sure it's very high res, as big as it can go. Click on transparent background, and then you just want to download that as a transparent PNG. And then you go back over to Printful, click on upload designs, and then you can actually add your design onto a mug just like that. And I like to add it on both sides. And then we've got our mug design there, which you can see. And then you click on continue. And then here's where you can choose a mock-up for it. So something along those lines, click on continue. And then you can add in your description and title here. And this will all be sent over to TikTok. So make sure you take a bit of time on that and click on continue. Then it brings you to this pricing page. And this is where we can choose how much profit we want to make on each item that we sell. Now, the issue that I found with TikTok Shop is that there's a lot of people that are selling directly from China, actual Chinese sellers, Chinese factory owners that have got TikTok shops, and their prices are very, very low. So we've got to compete with these people, which means that we can't charge crazy amounts for our products, and we actually have to keep our prices very competitive, which obviously means that our profit margins are quite slim. But it's not as bad as it sounds, because the amount of traffic we can get and the amount of sales we can make from TikTok Shop, it makes up for it. Because I'd rather sell 5,000 mugs where I'm making $2 on each mug than sell 100 mugs that I'm making $10 on each mug. So even with small profit margins, we can make a lot of money thanks to the amount of traffic that we're getting on TikTok. But it's made even better and even more profitable thanks to Printful's memberships that they've recently just launched. So as you can see here, with Printful Growth, we can actually get a mug in the UK for £5.5, whereas if we don't have this membership, it costs £5.95. So it's basically $1 or £1 that we're saving on each item. And with this TikTok strategy, high volume and small margins, this is making a big difference to my profits. It's actually doubling my profits at the moment just for being a member of Printful's Growth membership. And it only costs £20 per month. So if you sell over 20 mugs in a month, you've made back the money for the Printful membership. So that's definitely worth looking at if you are going for this TikTok strategy where the profit margins are quite slim, because that will make a difference to your bottom line. But once you've chosen how much you want to sell your mug for, you can submit it to your store, and then it will send that mug directly over to your TikTok store, and then it will be available for people to start buying. Now it's time for the best part about TikTok shops, the amount of free traffic that you can get directly from TikTok to your product, and it's so easy to make sales. Now there's two methods. The first method requires you to make short videos, and I actually know a really simple way that you can do this without showing your face or without even buying any products up front. The second way doesn't require you to even create a single video, and you still can make passive income, which I'm also going to reveal in just a minute. But the first way is to use stock videos. So you can actually go into this website called placeit.com, and they've got lots of like mock-ups of mugs and t-shirts and things like that, and you can add your designs onto them and download them as videos. So like here you've got people holding mugs, and you can add your designs onto them, and they look really realistic. So because when I first launch a product, I don't have the product. I've only just recently ordered this product, but I don't have the product to hand, and I want to get up a lot of content. So my strategy is to just to see what works, to create some of these mock-up videos, use them in TikToks, and then whatever sells well, I can actually order a sample from Printful, and then I can actually create some better high quality videos. And this actually works really, really well. I'll show you a video now that I recently did, just very simple, using a mock-up generator and some text, and it started to make some sales. Now, you don't get crazy amounts of views from these videos because they're not super high quality, but even if you're getting like 200 views per video and you're posting a few videos per day, that's a lot of traffic. None of my videos have gone viral, and I still managed to make 18 sales from TikTok. So you're still getting traffic to your offers. So that's the first way. Just create simple TikTok videos using these mock-ups that you find online, and then eventually you can actually buy the product, a sample, and create them. The second strategy is to use TikTok's affiliate program. Now, this is one of the best parts about TikTok. I've not really taken advantage of this yet, but as I'm starting to grow, I'm going to really implement this into my business. And it's a TikTok affiliate program which allows you to have affiliates for your products. So if we're making $2 on every mug, we might want to give away 50 cents or maybe $1 to an affiliate, just another influencer on TikTok that might already have millions of followers, and they can create videos about our products, and they can add a link to our shop, our TikTok shop, and then when they make a sale, they get a little cut and we make a lot of sales. So again, we can reach a massive audience and we're not even creating the videos. So to do this, all you need to do is come to your TikTok shop account and then come to your products that you've uploaded, and you click on this More tab next to them, and you can click on Set Affiliate Commission, and this is where you can choose how much you want to give away. So it might just be 10% of that product. Click Apply, and then that will have an affiliate product. So if someone sees it on TikTok, it will say you can earn $1 commission or however much it is by promoting this as an affiliate. But what you can also do is come to this affiliate homepage as well. It's got a full affiliate tab, and you can actually get in touch with affiliates as well. And you can see who's making the most sales. You can reach out to them and you can say, do you want to promote my products? And what you can do if you really want to upscale, you can even send some samples out to people if you want to create some high quality products, and you could reach some massive numbers because these influencers might have millions of followers. They might be getting millions of views per video, and they could start promoting your products. They take a little cut, you take a little cut, and you make a lot of money, and you don't even have to create videos. So that's it. I hope you found this video valuable. Don't forget, you can sign up for a free Printful account using my referral link down below. But if you just want to watch another video about print on demand, check out this video here where I built a profitable Etsy store in 24 hours. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Cheers, guys.